not even over mine.
He fell off the ladder then. That won't help.
Big.
Go big or go home. That's what they say, don't they? I think.
It's not very big.
It's not small. Mine will be super messy and yours will be super clean. Something I learned about painting bigger is you can get away with so much more. Yeah. When it comes to the photo.
So, the size outweighs the bad technique.
Yeah. Shh. Don't say that too loudly. I kind of like painting messy though now.
I know what you mean. It's very liberating.
Just
You
give.
don't want it to be perfect. It's not a machine. You're not a camera. You know what I mean? It's the human hand that makes it interesting.
Yeah, it kind of gives it a organic feel.
Yeah, exactly.
Getting all arty.
That's why every writer's paintings will always look different. You know what I mean?
Yeah. What's going to happen when AI takes over?
Don't.
Is that when you quit?
Well, it's already happening, isn't it? ridiculous. I just hate the fucking things, to be honest, and not just graph-wise.
Oh yeah. Have you seen any deep fakes?
No, I know about him.
Well, like Elon Musk saying like...
He's a cunt. Piece of shit, that man is. Big double for all that and the state of the game. Fucking mad,
So there you go, that's it for this video. I really enjoyed my day out painting alongside Relic, who painted the word Ross. We had a little bit of a, I wouldn't say an argument, but a debate over the colour he used. The colours really popped, they really worked well. I was saying they're more turquoise, he was saying they're more blue. The camera doesn't really quite do it justice, but they do definitely pop. Why don't you drop a comment and tell me what colour you think that colour is. I think it's turquoise. Anyway, you do that. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment, tell me about that colour. Give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, also in the comments tell me what you think about my piece. I could have definitely done a bit better with the filming, and yeah, I could have done better with the lighting. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you in the next video.